Hi, I'm Dynamo Joe, and today we have a 2020 165 Turbo and a 2020 165 Expert X. Both of them are on break-in. So let's have a look and see what the break-in looks like on this one here for a second. So what we're going to do today is end up putting a clutch kit in this that I've been working on for a couple of seasons. This one here is a clutch kit. It's not stock anymore. And now we'll see what the break-in is on this. No shot. He cheaped out. 31.
Close enough.
Okay, now hold on. Hold on here now. This is with my clutch kit, and we'll see what the engagement speed is. So say 3,000 and it's starting to move. All right. Let's go to this one here, stock clutching. Shot. Come on, baby. There we go. So 4,000 engagement, and the sled kind of starts to move at like 4,200-ish. All right. So we're gonna have a little drag race today and see how this goes. So we'll line them up here on the start line. And kind of officially the start line's here, but this is where we're going to start this sled here. That's measured out 100 feet. That second cone's 200 feet. The top end of there, that's 660. And then we got a kind of a little snowcross tracky thingy dingy over there at that side. But we're only just going to do a 200-foot hole shot and see what it works like. And then we're going to put something in this after. Something I've been working on, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Police Department. Woo! And Dalton and all my test guys.